Hi, this is Rick Buchert. There was a time not that long ago when I couldn't spend my Sundays sitting, relaxing, and enjoying a glass of wine. And that was because I knew on Monday morning that I would have staff standing around because we didn't have adequate lead flow. But that all changed when we figured out how to create leads predictably and reliably. And it also had a big difference on our revenue. You can learn the same. If you come to our More Leads, More Revenue Lunch and Learn workshop, you're going to learn the things you need to know so that you can spend your Sunday nights not worrying about Monday mornings. All you need to do right now is sign up below, come to the workshop, and over the next 90 days, implement the things that we teach you, and you will be able to do the same thing I can do now, which is relax on Sunday nights. Hope to see you there. If you have any questions, please reach out. We're happy to help.